today we are going to Portsmouth.
Hey everyone!
Tyrese is not in.
3, 2, 1,
Tyrese.
jump!
Let's go.
So we're about to go on the boats. I'm very excited. We're gonna steer a boat. I remember I did this once at Portsmouth. My boat capsized. So yeah. Here it is, beautiful views. Here are the boat choices. You can get. Oh, is this the Titanic? That looks like a Titanic. I'm taking this one. I just got on the boat and it like started leaning to one side, so I'm scared now. Cause she's gonna. It's so scary. Don't capsize the boat, Mummy. Don't capsize it. Oh, yeah. Yeah, the water looks dark.
How deep is it?
How deep is the water?
Don't worry, we'll survive.
Hopefully.
Your speed are there. If you turn to the left, you've got 3 speeds backwards. And if you turn to the right, you've got 5 speeds forward. When you turn the steering wheel to stop the turn, you brake it, and the boat will start to creep when you're trying to come in. Please.
All men for themselves. All men for themselves. All men for themselves. Oh jeez, oh dear. Oh! We just crashed boats.
This is scary.
It's very scary. Because like the boat might tip over, that's what it feels like anyways. And the water seems very deep. Because the
And
water's
black.
like, yeah, the water's like black.
I feel like it's polluted.
Yeah, and I feel like it's like dirty
Oh,
and
we're gonna drown.
deep. So I'm scared if we fall in. I don't know what's gonna happen. My boots as well.
I can swim.
My boots. I don't want my boots to get wet because I have
I don't
such
want mine to
lovely
get wet
boots.
either.
My boots are so nice. There's the others. There are the others. No, 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 no. Oh. Okay, we made it past. No, don't crash.
Left. Go to the left a bit. You crashed it.
Oh.
To the right. Go to the right.
That is.
Oh, you're moving the float.
No, the float! It's moving!
Oh my God.
What are we doing? What's happening? What's happening? The boat's not moving. Okay.
Hey,
Come on.
You should let me drive now. Let me drive.
Yes, you can drive.
Hey guys, I think I should drive.
Keep your eyes on the wheel.
I think I should drive, guys. It's easier for me to drive.
Okay.
Let me drive.
This is the. This is the front. This is
Wait,
what the front
no,
looks
the
like.
float, Mum.
Okay, come.
This is what the front looks like.
Okay, guys, I'm gonna drive. Wait, after we get to this.
Wait, when we get there, then we'll come back.
Okay, so you're going to drive. How do you feel?
I don't know.
Don't capsize the boat, okay? Oh, no, oh no.
Don't.
No! Oh, we're gonna crash! Ah, we crashed! Oh my gosh! We're going to one side! Oh my gosh! We almost drowned!
Come and drive.
Drowning.
We almost drowned! Oh my gosh! This is a scary experience, guys!
Hey, let me drive. Okay, guys,
Look, there are the others. They're doing perfect.
let's drive. Let me drive.
We're doing perfect. They're doing perfect. While we're literally capsizing. While our boat's literally oh my gosh, okay. I have to move. Oh my gosh, they're trying to change drivers now, but I don't know how they're going to do this. Because I think this boat's going to capsize. Huh? Oh my gosh, this is so creepy. I feel like this boat's going to go down on this side because It's me and Mummy on this side, and we're both very heavy, and the rest of us are gonna plop over like this. Now the drivers are arguing about who's going to drive. No, quiet, calm down.
I think we should have let me.
We're having a debate here. Who gets to drive?
I'm driving! I'm driving!
Summer or
Someone's already had her turn.
Summer or Editor? Now we switch to speed 5. We switch to speed 5. Look, this is how close I am to the water right now. This is how close I am. I can touch the water. I touched it. Yeah, I touched it. No, it's like it looks clear. It's kind of clear. The water's more clear. Okay. Now we're going a bit faster because we switched to speed 5. Here's the. So everything's going all smooth. Hey guys! Tyrese, are you crying? Are you crying? Look, there's the lighthouse. Bye! Yes, he's crying. She says Elsie's crying. Oh my gosh, guys. The driver's crying. Pull it together. Oh, sorry. Okay. Gonna crash! Oh wait, no we're not. I believe we're going to crash. Those are our friends over there, guys. Oh my gosh, you're getting the hang of it.
Guys, can you let me drive? Guys, can you let me drive?
You want to drive? She seems so moody about it. Oh gosh, this is scary. I actually think the boat's going to capsize right now. No, actually. Okay, no, it's not. Yeah, it can't capsize. But actually, look, because I think this water's deep. It looks so deep. They've got a Christmas display. We moved the checkpoint. What? Are we taking it with us? We're dragging the checkpoint. Hi, Milda. That's our friend as well. Oh, okay. That was scary. Oh, our boats just cashed into each other, and I was left like this. Literally, like, yeah. What about me? I haven't driven yet. So, me and Summer have made a harmony. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go. Eat your vegetables. That was good, right? What happened here, guys? You ruined it. We ruined the checkpoint. And here's the safety lighthouse, which means you're safe, but I don't think it means you're safe. And there's a lovely sculpture over there. That sculpture. Oh!
Go backwards.
Okay. So Mummy said that I'm so insulted right now. I'm not allowed to drive because Mummy's at the front, and apparently we're both going to drown if we both drive. So I'm insulted. I'm very insulted.
Oh my god, just about.
Yay, they did it! They switched seats. Are you happy?
Yeah.
I'm just the one interviewing everyone. Yeah, I'm the interviewer. Oh gosh, I'm just an interviewer. So yeah. So everything's going smoothly. Now everything's going smoothly, and yeah, we're just gliding across. So hopefully this boat doesn't capsize, and this phone stays dry because it's not waterproof. And I should have brought my GoPro, which is waterproof, but this phone is not waterproof. So if this boat capsizes, we're in trouble. Oh, the boat's leaning. The boat's leaning. The boat is leaning. Oh, don't hit the checkpoint again. Don't hit it again. Your hand, you're supposed to push it. So we've come to the end, no, we've come to the cylinder thing. And if you don't push it, you're gonna fall. And the adult is supposed to push it. But Mummy doesn't want to push it and she's the adult here. So yeah, this is kind of going badly. Okay, we're back on track, but the boat is leaning to one side. I'm scared. There's like, it's filling up with water over there. Yeah, I'm scared, kind of, yeah. Stressful, isn't it? Yes. Very stressful. Hi guys! Thank you! We're getting ready to leave now. Okay, how are we going to come out now? This is a new situation. Okay. Okay, I want to see Mummy get out. If you fall in, I'll catch you. Well, not really, but... Yay! Okay, let's go. Oh. Hi! Oh no, we missed the train! We missed the train! Say bye to the train.